welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Kyrene, and if you're new here, I like to make videos and I post every Friday and Sunday at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So today's video is going to be a collaboration with Jessica Rowlands. Her channel will be scrolling right here. So she came up on my recommendations and I noticed that her channel is new, so I decided to reach out to her and ask her if she wanted to collab, because I was in her shoes once upon a time, so I just want to bring her channel some exposure. So we agreed to do a little fall tutorial for you guys. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. My eyebrows are already done because I just got my eyebrows waxed right now at the Benefit Brow Bar at Ulta, and I got some good finds. If you guys want to know what was used for my eyebrow, it was the Brow Contour Pro. So it's basically like one of those like multi-color pens. So there's like a lighter brow color and then a darker brow color, and then there are two highlighting shades. I actually really like the look of my eyebrows right now, so I decided to go ahead and purchase it. And plus, like, you could get a free brow wax when you purchase $50 worth of Benefit products. So that's what I got. That's the first thing I got. That was like about $20 something. I also got the Hello Happy foundation. So this is in the shade 6. This is like, I would use this for like a more natural day. So I'll be using that for the fall look, because when I think of fall, I think of that look being like a little more natural. So yeah, so this is the shade, and you guys have probably already seen it, but oh, one second, this exploded already. We're just gonna jump right in. For the primer, I'm going to use the Becca Backlight Priming Filter, and this is like an illuminating primer, and I just squirt like a dime size of it on my hands. It'll be so helpful if my mirror was in front of me. I'm using the Sigma F80, and I'm just gonna apply it with this brush. Remember, there's nothing out there to get you. When life don't slam us, just call them. Oh yeah, this is my shade. I found my shade with no help. Watch Ulta be like, we are sorry that no one helped you. Oh my god. Now we're gonna apply some concealer. I totally forgot the name of concealer. Oh yeah, so I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Medium. And then I'm going to be setting the concealer. I'm so sorry if my phone's going off. I got my notifications on my laptop. If you guys know, I record on my phone, so I get my notifications for my messages on my laptop. So anyways, I'm setting my concealer with the Cover FX Translucent Powder. I'm popular today. I'm not gonna bake, I'm just gonna like rub it all over my face. So I could also set my foundation. I actually really like the finish of this foundation. Ooh, I didn't even notice, but this also has a SPF 15, so that's good. Also, look at this. This is like a, what's it called? A demi matte finish, right? Is that what it's called? My brows are done. We are gonna go in with some eyeshadow primer. So right now I'm actually using the Urban Decay Original Eyeshadow Primer Potion. We're just taking that and then just trying it all over the lid. So now we're gonna take the Morphe 350M palette. Haven't used this in forever, but this is the look that I used all last fall. So I'm going in with the Sigma E38 brush, and I'm going in with this white shade, and I'm just gonna use it as a base. I'm just basically setting the eyeshadow primer. I don't know if you guys can see, but a little bit of the product from when I last used this just came off right now. So lesson learned, clean your brushes. Okay, cool. So now that my lids are set, I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, and I'm gonna use that as a transition color. And then after that, I'm gonna go into the crease with a combination of these two shades. And then after that, we're gonna deepen that crease up a little bit more. This dark brown shade. You only need the smallest amount. And then, okay, we're just like deepening up the crease now. We're gonna take this red orange shade and we're gonna put that on the crease. Okay, and then after this, we're gonna go into the Tarte Make Believe in Yourself palette, and we're gonna take this shade in Wings. Haven't used this in forever, by the way. And then we're gonna apply that all over the lids. And then I'm trying to decide if we should put anything on the under eyes. Yeah, we're gonna do it. So for the under eyes, we're gonna take this dark brown shade that we used earlier on the Almar Cosmetics flat brush, and we're just gonna stamp that on the bottom lash line so that it could like act as a little eyeliner, but we're gonna line it anyways later. And we're just gonna like smoke it out right now.
And all your dreams are lost. Everything is wrong.
So what we're gonna do now is take these two shades that we used in the crease first, and then we're gonna buff that out. And I'm gonna use this fluffy brush from Almar Cosmetics.
There to get you, don't forget it. When life throws lemons, just call.
Now that my eyes are done, I'm gonna like brighten up the inner corner with this highlighting shade. Then now I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes and then apply some apply some eyeliner. So I'm using the Sigma Liquid Pen eyeliner.
You gotta leave now, it's time to catch the wind.
And then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and take the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in black, and I'm just gonna line the bottom lash line. And now I'm going to apply the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. I got newer lashes because I wanted newer lashes. I usually use the Violet Voss lashes in Striptease, but I feel like it'll be too thick for this look, but we'll see right now. So I'm gonna use the Ardell Wispies. I think we're gonna do a double layer, and this is my first time doing a double layer, so we'll see how it goes. So just proof, I used two. Now I'm gonna go in with the rest of my face makeup. So I'm gonna go in with the Marc Jacobs contour powder, and I'm just gonna go in with the contour shade.
I will be there for you, baby. Remember.
So after that, I'm gonna apply some blush, and I'm gonna be using the Laura Geller illuminating blush in the shade Tropical Hues. First of all, look at how beautiful that is. I tried this in another video, which is probably gonna be out right after this. Not right after this, but like on Sunday. Also, I'm using the Luxie 514 brush for the blush, and I use the MAC 168S for the contour shade. When I tried this out, I tried it out in the video that's gonna be coming out on Sunday, so keep your eyes peeled for that video. We are going in with the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter, and we're gonna use the shade Fire Crystal, which is this shade. So we're gonna go in with that with the Luxie 522 tapered highlighter brush.
When the lights are out.
And then after that, we are gonna go in the shade Lightning Dust, and I'm taking this flat dome shaped brush and I'm gonna apply it on my brow bone.
Everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault.
Okay, for the lips, I'm going in with the ColourPop Ultra Glossy Liquid Lipstick in the shade Lazy.
There's nothing out there to get you, don't forget it. When life goes
Okay guys, so this is the final look. So guys, if you guys like this video, go ahead and give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe and ring that little notification bell. And if you guys want to see more fall looks, make sure you guys go ahead and check out Jessica's channel and give her a huge like and a huge subscribe and ring her notification bell too. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Actually, I won't see you guys. You guys will see me. So you guys will see me next time. Bye!